Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you delicious recipe of sprouted beans curry or Matki Chi Usal. This is a Maharashtrian dish and it is a good source of copper and magnesium. It helps keep your immune system and nervous system healthy. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here I have taken 1 cup of moth beans, also known as Turkish gram or dew beans. This is slightly long in shape and brown in color as you have seen here. Now wash this with the cold water twice until all the dust particles separates from the beans. After that, add water in it, and after adding the water, soak it for 4 to 5 hours, and then I will show you. After 5 hours, open the lid and you will notice the beans are properly soaked in water and the size is also bigger. Now drain the water and spread it evenly into the same bowl and cover it and set it aside into the warm place overnight so that it will sprout. It's the next day. I have checked it. The perfectly sprouted beans are ready as you have seen here. The sproutation depending upon the area you are in, hot or cold place. Now wash it into the cold water and set it into the strainer. So if there is any smell or water less, it will gone. Now for the gravy, here I have taken 1 medium size onion that I have chopped roughly as you have seen here lengthwise. After that, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of chana dal or gram lentils. You can take the roasted chana dal also in place of this. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut. If you don't have fresh coconut, you can use the dry coconut, and oil. And here I have taken 4 cloves of garlic and 1-inch ginger piece. Now let's start preparing the moth beans curry. Today we are going to prepare the curry into the instant pot. So for this, set the saute function first on normal temperature for 15 minutes, and once it is shown 15 minutes, it's on. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil into the instant pot and let it hot. Once the oil is hot, now add chopped coconut and saute it until it turns golden brown in color as you have seen here. After that, remove it into the separate bowl. In the same pot, add chana dal and roast it until it's brown in color. It will take about a minute or so. After that, remove it into the same bowl in which we have removed the coconut. After that, this is how it looks like. Now add the onions and saute it until it turns dark brown and the slight aroma starts coming. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes, and now remove it into the bowl. It has slight smoky aroma now. After that, add ginger and garlic and saute it for about a minute until it turns brown. Remove it. Now let it cool down completely, then I will show you. And now onions and all other things are properly cooled down. Take a grinding jar and pour all the ingredients into the grinding jar and grind it into the smooth paste. After grinding, this is how it looks like. Remove this into the separate bowl and set it aside. Now we will start preparing the curry. We are going to cook into the instant pot. So select the saute function for 15 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Let it hot. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Then add 7 to 8 leaves of curry leaves. 2 chopped green chilies. Saute it for about a minute. After that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 pinch of asafoetida or hing, and now add the onion coconut paste that we have grind, and now mix everything together. Make sure to keep on stirring, do not leave it unattended. After mixing everything, add 1 tablespoon of garam masala or gonda masala, whatever you have available at home, and now give it a quick mix and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until it starts leaving the oil. And as you have seen here, after 6 minutes it starts leaving the oil. Now saute it for about another 1 minute add salt in it, give it a quick mix, and the gravy is ready. And now add the sprouted moth beans into the prepared gravy, gently mix it, and now add 1.5 cup of water. Here I have added 1 cup of water, but after mixing I feel the water is little less, so I have added half cup of more water, so total 1.5 cup of water. You can adjust the gravy according to your choice. Now cover the lid and whistle is on sealing as I am showing you here. After that, cancel the saute function and now select the pressure cook function or manual, whatever is in your instant pot, and set it for 8 minutes. Couple of seconds it shows on sign, and we will meet after 8 minutes. Now it's been 14 minutes. Cancel the pressure cook function and let the pressure release naturally. Open the lid carefully and you have seen the moth bean curry is ready perfectly. Give it a quick mix and you will see how perfectly it is done and cooked. Add chopped coriander or cilantro and give it a quick mix. Now the moth bean curry is ready to serve. So this is the easier way to prepare the moth bean curry using instant pot, and in very less time. If you are in a hurry, you can just prepare this into the instant pot and now remove this into the separate bowl. Serve hot with some rice or some chapati. To enhance the taste of this recipe, just simply add few drops of lemon juice and mix it and then serve it with rice or any flatbread of your choice. And you have seen the curry on top of that, that is not the oil, this is because we have used the coconut inside this. And if you like this recipe of moth bean curry or Matki Chi Usal recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.